Welcome to Daytime Ottawa here on Rogers TV. I'm your host, Derek Fage. We're going to dive right into our first segment because strawberry season happens throughout the entire summer. And here to tell us about, not only what you can do with it, but, doing those great berry picking little excursions with your family, where to go, what to look for. Julie Findlay, Mom in the Know, joining us here on the show. How are you, Julie?
I'm so great. Thank you for saying it. Strawberry season lasts all summer, so you don't have to rush out there right away. But if I can give one tip for littles, if they're heading to the field, check the weather, make sure it's okay. Start maybe early in the morning so you get the best of your pickers. But we'll get to that a little later.
Okay, I love
but
it.
You want to make sure that absolutely. So what I wanted to first get pickers motivated by 3 great recipes. So not only do you have strawberries as a snack, but you can have it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Okay.
So I'm going to start off with a very tasty smoothie. So I've already started off with a cup of milk. So you can change that milk to coconut milk, almond milk, whatever works. And a cup of yogurt in here. You can obviously do strawberry yogurt to add more taste.
Right.
We're big Greek yogurts here. And then I've got 2 cups of hulled strawberries. So I'll teach you how to hull those. But literally the one favorite thing you want to add to your kitchen utensils is a strawberry huller. You'll get those kids working right away.
Okay.
A tablespoon of honey. And then I'm going to add 4 ice cubes. And that is it.
That's it?
And if you want to, that's it.
That's simple.
It's delicious. That's simple. Do it, close it up, blend it. You've got this beautiful little smoothie. It starts the day off just right. And if you want to even prep this ahead of time, add those ice cubes in the morning. And everyone get out those ice cube trays because you can also put the smoothie in the ice cube tray and have them with a little stick in the top and grab those on the go. So
great
that's
idea.
And
you know what, Julie? It looks like a milkshake, right? I mean, you can even tell your kids, oh, we're having strawberry milkshakes for breakfast. They'll be so excited. I love the idea. All right, let's move on to the next meal of the day is lunch. What have you got?
Again, a super easy one. I've got a berry bacon grilled cheese sandwich. So you've got your strawberries, you've already made your bacon. You're going to butter your bread on one side or oil, whichever you prefer to use.
Okay.
You're going to use, we do like our old cheddar. So you could do any type of Ontario local cheese that you'd like. I'm going to add a little 1/4 cup here already. Then I'm going to layer my bacon. I've already thickly sliced my strawberries ahead of time. I'm going to put those on top. You know me, as everyone knows, I like to really fill these up.
Oh, yeah.
So maybe you want bigger pieces of bread. But you're going to add a little bit more cheese on there, and then you are going to grill it just on your pan, and you've got yourself a perfect lunch. So kind of putting that nice sweet taste.
Yeah, well, I was going to say too, right? The sweet and the salty is just perfect combination, isn't it?
No one's going to need ketchup. I'm telling you. You can take that condiment off the list.
I love it. That's an excellent point.
The last one I have is a cobb salad, but this time we're doing a strawberry cobb salad.
Okay.
And then I'm going to just whip together a really quick maple dressing. But the idea with the cobb salad is if you put it on a nice tray, you've got all these choices so everybody can kind of build their own. So what I've done with this is I've done 2 cups of strawberry. I've used a Gouda cheese for this one.
Okay.
I've hard-boiled my eggs, some fresh red onion, some chicken, bacon. If you do need to cheat and you haven't had time to barbecue, those prepared chickens local in your grocery store. I've done some tomatoes and green. And this is everything that's in season and versatile in your kitchen. So
yeah, it looks great. And it looks great, right? The presentation looks so nice. I mean, it just looks beautiful when you're presenting that.
And it's so fresh and it's so light for the hot summer days or just on the go. So the dressing, super quick and easy, is 6 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Then we get out our maple syrup because that never goes away all year round. 2 tablespoons of that, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and that's what kind of gives it that little spunk in there.
Yeah, a little bit
of salt and pepper. Yeah.
Easy.
So quick and easy. And that's another thing you want to do for the summer is have those kind of easy dressings that you could put on anything. So again, you can go to Foodland Ontario. There's so many different salads. It also gives you an opportunity to see what's in season. But definitely strawberries are. So let's talk strawberries. Even if you put this lovely bowl on the table, they will be gone.
Yeah.
So,
Well, which is a great snack, right? So instead of the kids coming back from, maybe they're at summer camp, day camp, that kind of thing, and they're coming back home, and instead of eating junk food, right, have something like that ready for them.
yeah, absolutely. So maybe have some skewers. You can have some little bricks of cheese. They can build their own. You can put a little bowl of whipped cream beside this. You could even dunk it in chocolate. But the fun thing is you are going to prep them. So strawberries, like you just said, are going to last all summer long. They actually last right into October. And
Okay.
it's called an overbearing berry. So a second thing, when you get your strawberries, they can stay in the fridge from 3 to 6 days. Do not wash them because they do have the seeds on the outside, so it soaks in. So you want to just rinse them when you're about to use them.
Okay.
Grab your little huller, which is just like a mini spoon, scoop out the green, put them back to where you want. If you feel like you're not going to have a chance to use them, then you can freeze them, flash freeze them on a pan. Put them in the freezer for about 10 minutes and then put them in a baggie. They're going to last in your freezer for up to a year.
So what's
another
the
thing to
hold
think
on
about.
one sec, Julie. So what's the reason that you put them in the pan instead of just throw them in the freezer bag and then into the freezer right away?
Because then they will not stick together.
Oh, I
So
see.
they're at room temperature now, and then when you have them sort of laid out, they'll flash freeze. So when they're in that bag, it's like buying your frozen fruit everywhere you go, but it's your own frozen fruit that you picked. And having that fresh Ontario taste of berries all through the winter is delicious.
Oh,
We
yeah.
never get to the freezing part, but it's something we're going to try. I've got really efficient pickers now, so that's my last tip when you are heading to pick. Make sure you check the one that's near you. Just check on their website to make sure, one, that they're open, that their crop is doing okay.
Okay.
You generally don't need to bring your own baskets. They'll provide them for you. They'll even give you your pricing. And this is a great day to get your kids out because most
Yeah.
of them have trails. They've got picnic areas. So pack a lunch.
I agree 100%. And make sure, as Julie said, check that schedule before you go.